Okay, so this is our pipette. Our pipette, the volume, particular pipette, the volume is 25 mm. We always use either 25 mm or 20 mm. But whatever we are to use, we will use it. So as we have 25, all the pipette in this school, in this our lab here, is 25 mm. Doesn't affect anything. All you need to do is to note it down that you're using 25 mm pipette. Are we there? Please, no noise.
Say no noise. Please, man.
So if you watch here, you see a mark. There is a mark. But it's when you draw closer, you see the mark. That mark is the 25 ml mark. So we need to adjust until it reaches there. So what we need to do, we release it here. We have our 25 ml base into our conical flask. You say what?
Do other people use their mouth?
Is that what they meant to do, like with your mouth?
Yes, when you do, you can still use your mouth. Or you use my mouth. I can do it. Okay, so what do we have in the burette? We have our acid. The acid goes to the burette. Is it making sense? What you watch it, you see that I didn't draw up the acid. Rather, what I did was the base. We are not to drink it. So you spit it out and rinse your mouth. There will be no harm. Yes. It's okay. So we want to do the titration now. Before we remember the work of the indicator. What did I tell us is the work of the indicator?
Change the color of the
pH.
Yes, the indicator changes color according to changes in pH. For example, now there are types of indicator. We have methyl orange indicator, we have phenolphthalein indicator, we have methyl red, we have many types of indicator. But the popular ones are these three. This indicator, you don't just choose the one you use. Rather, you use the indicator based on what you are doing. Are we there? You use the indicator based on what you're doing. We are doing now titration between strong acid and strong base. And I know we see those things. We see types of acid, weak base. Weak acids are usually organic acids. So we are going to add few drops, like 2 drops or 3. Okay. And what's the color? Purple. So we see the purple color. So the phenolphthalein indicator on base, purple. We are going to titrate. Are we there? Any questions so far? What is neutralization reaction?
The reaction between an acid and a base
To form salt and water only. We should have a neutralization reaction between a triazocarbonate and the base, which will not give us salt and water only. Rather, and CO2 gas will be involved. Are we there?
Yes.
So, but we are going on with this. We still do all those titration. So, we are going to be very careful with the titration we are going to do, because any little drop can bring about a color change. But the beautiful thing about phenolphthalein indicator is that the color is going to change to colorless. It will appear like any of these reagents we have here. That is at the end point of the titration. The end point of a titration reaction is a point where all have been neutralized by the base. Did you get what I said?
Yes.
Let me say it again. Are you with me? Point of a neutralization reaction is that point where all the acid neutralized by the base. Okay, we are going to do this all alone. During your time, you will be shared into groups where somebody will be in charge of this, opening and closing the tab. But you open it just very brief and you shake, you rock the flask as fast as possible. I have not opened it. But the way we do it, you may not even know when I open it, okay? You have to be very careful because you don't know when the color will change. So the essence of rocking it is so that any drop that goes into the flask will go round about it. It will not be one place. Are we there? Because you don't know the strength of the acid or the strength of the still continue. So that is the end point of the reaction. Note the color change. I want that is permanent. I want somebody to come and take the reading. What's the reading? Are you reading at eye level?
4.3. 4.3.
It's okay. Let me see. Okay.
4.3.
It's 4.4. We are looking at the bottom of the concave minuscules. Are we there? Are we there? Have you written it? The reading, write 0.00. Under it, you write the reading 4. Reaction is a chemical reaction that happens 3 times. Phenolphthalein indicator. Titration 3 times.
That's that one that you
3 times.
can you say that thing? Will it change color?
The same. No. That one is gone. We are done with that one. Pay attention.
He said that like when you put this acid inside that base, will it change color?
You add phenolphthalein indicator again. No. End of that reaction have come to an end. Except maybe when you add another base and add another acid, it can go on. But it doesn't happen that way. Are we there? The titration happened 3 times. Why we? But we do it in order to get what we call concordant values. The concordant values are, we are going to get values that are together, and then we get the average of those values. So we do the titration up to 3 times. Are we there? Who can help us? I need